Hi guys, it's Michael from Nomadic Insights. Thanks for joining us here on the channel. If you're new, please give us a subscribe and like the video since it helps with the algorithm. So in today's video, we're going to cover credit card strategy, or at least an introduction to credit card strategy. Credit card strategies come in one of two forms. You have single card strategy, and then you have combo strategy. For most people, when they look at credit cards looking for a new offer, they're looking for the best intro offer, or maybe they want global entry, or they want lots of membership points or airline lounge access. That gets them into the world of single card strategy, and each card generally falls into a different tier or bucket. So you've got a B tier card like your Citi Double Cash Rewards that gives you good everyday value at 2%, but doesn't afford you something like lounge access or ways to get above that 2% threshold, like other card combinations and single use cards might allow you to do. So, on the other hand, there are combo plays that fall into different groupings. Most classic examples of these would be something like the Chase or Amex Trifectas, which are card setups designed to maximize your daily use of credit cards without needing to constantly apply. So, it's a good series of reward points across a mix of categories. So I'd rate both those trifecta strategies as kind of like your B tier, where you want to be in terms of your ROI on your cards. So one of the things is the way I group these strategies is into different tiers. So you have an S tier credit card, which might be something like your Amex Platinum or your Chase Sapphire Reserve, where these cards provide exemplary levels of value and can almost double the multiplier from the annual fee. In that B tier, I place something like, again, the Citi Double Cash Rewards, because it's setting an acceptable standard of what you want from a card, and it's still a good single use daily credit card. Now, when we go into combo plays, the really crazy, like 8% back, 10% back, these crazy plays take more time to set up, and they could be an S tier. These tiers and strategies change a lot. So cards can shift as they're upgraded, downgraded, and different offers come out onto the market. So I generally go with, B tier is just where you want to be for most people. So a B tier strategy is, again, going to be one of the trifectas or something similar in terms of card setup to maximize your spend. So we're just going to go through in a little bit more detail what I mean by single card use and then trifecta. And that's it for this video. So let's take a look at some of the combo plays. So there are card combos you can set up that take 2 or 3 years to execute based on the application rules. So think of something like the Chase Trifecta, depending on when you apply, with the 524 rule, or even the Amex cards of, what 4 cards do you want to have of Amex credit cards if you're not taking advantage of the charge cards like the Platinum. So this gets you into a world where strategies are more complicated, the combo plays, looking for loopholes and rule sets, and just kind of trying to find a way to move yourself into that S tier combo strategy become much more intriguing. Again, different strategies really allow you to get into a higher level of value. But again, if you're looking at like a B tier combo, or what's the standard you really want to be at, you're going to probably be looking at something like the Chase Trifecta or the Amex Trifecta as being a solid B tier combo, because again, these are combos probably most people could set up. I'd consider the BOA Trifecta a nice solid D tier, because again, the point value, lack of transfer partners, we could go on and on and on here. But generally, that's just the way I look at it in terms of grouping strategies and how you want to make a strategic play when you're applying for cards. Again, a single use strategy with a card might be you just want the sign up bonus. But when you're trying to do YOLO trips, you're getting into more of, you want an A or an S tier card combo strategy, and you really want to piggyback and play on those reward combos to actually figure out a way to maximize. So let's just take a look at the minimum tier you want to be in, which is going to be B tier for both combo plays and single cards. A good example of a B tier card is your City Double Cash Rewards, where you're going to get 2% cash back on everything after you've paid off the card balance. This is where you want to be at minimum. You want to get 2% back because that's kind of the best offer for most people, where it's a great default. You're always getting 2% discounts on everything. So it's a no brainer to take that particular card. There are other factors in play where if you're an individual, there might be a different, A or S tier card where you want to take advantage of that. But a B tier card should have a solid level of performance and a solid level of everyday value. Again, that gets you really close to at least 2% on your spend, very similar to a City Double Cash Rewards card.